Alright, let's go down. Bring your coffee. Alright, here we are. We're going down.
My towel and my flip-flops.
Your towel's right here. I don't know where your flip-flops are. Everybody's up, by the way.
Everybody's up.
Everybody's up.
Everybody.
Everybody. A little warmer. Still a little breezy. Okay. So this is how you get to the pool. You go down these steps. And then you go down these steps. And we have to be really quiet. That's alright.
Huh?
That's alright. We're right here.
Like right down there?
Shh. Yeah. And then it's only 8 o'clock, but it doesn't open till 9, so we have to be really quiet. Here. Lift it up. Lift it up. Open it. You have to be quiet, though, because it's not supposed to be in here till 9.
What are you doing?
We're getting in early. We're rebels. Alright, so this is what we're doing. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, right in. Oh, yeah. Alright, we have to be quiet, though. This is nice. It is.
How do you turn it on?
I don't think you do, but that's alright.
No, it goes on.
That's where our room is up there. This is the time. It's only 8:10.
Okay, let's see the final one.
What? Probably a leaf.
Scum.
Probably a leaf or
No,
something.
it's scum all over.
I don't know what it is. You see what it is.
That's scum.
What?
Scum.
Scum. What are you talking about?
Scummy.
You mean soap scum?
No, like people scum.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's nice and warm. It's a hot tub. We'll go get a shower. There's worse ways to spend a morning.
You can drink some of that water.
It's Gatorade. Oh. It's a little windy, isn't it? Kind of chilly. I'm gonna go look and see.